Check this out. I got a call from a realtor. He said, "Hey man, I hear this hissing." If you notice, I got it's off. Ball valve's off. And it's off here too. Then the realtor said, "Hey, I hear it draining in this clean out rat chair." Look at this. Let me turn my light on. I have no idea what's going on. You see how that pipe is dislocated right there? I stuck my hand in there, and I stuck my hand in there. It's just a big cavern with rocks. I'm thinking, I don't know. I'm thinking there's a pipe burst underneath this slab right here. And I don't know, maybe that wasn't glued, that clean out cap. I don't know. But also check this. The water meter is on the side right here. It's crazy, man. Water meter, it's right here. It's full of water. And there's also a cavern in there too. I put my hand in there. See it spinning? So I'm going to turn this off. There. So it's got to be, there's a leak between the meter, because where I was showing you that clean out is just right here. So there's got to be a bust pipe somewhere. Yeah, the hissing stopped now. They also, the realtor told me that the business manager for this house is said that the water bill is higher. Let me turn my light back on. I don't know. I think this is just I can see the earth right here. Dang. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but this whole section right here is kind of sloped downward, whereas this is not. This is not. It's perfectly level. Whereas this, see that? It's because there's a leak. We're back. Los has been here all morning. What up, dog? That's is that copper? Or? That's copper, huh? I thought it was PVC in the photo.
There's PVC right above it, but that's some other shit. Was that drain or irrigation?
Huh. All right. Well, how about I'll go turn on the water.
Yep.
Or actually, you want to turn on the water so I can see exactly where the leak is coming from? And then I'll just holler at you to turn it off. So check this out. We're at the meter box. And now there's no water in it. And look at this cavern. You can't really see, but that goes deep. That's really odd. I wonder, because we're probably, I don't know, 20 feet from the hole. All right, go ahead. Just nice and slow. Inch and a quarter. Oh boy. All right, all right, all right. That is not good. It's coming from the conduit, the black pipe. All right, you're good. Okay, so we're on the other side of the fence. The meter's right there. Look at the cavern in there. Dang it, you can't see it again. Look. I can't fit the shovel. Look how half the shovel is going in there. What is this, a 5-foot shovel? So that's like 4 feet in there. And the conduit is right here. It's 1.5 inch ABS. It's right there. So I'm thinking because, see, that would make sense. Look, that would make sense. The leak is somewhere in the conduit, because the conduit ends here and this huge cavern starts right here, right? And same on that side. So the leak has got to be somewhere in that conduit for sure. That's got to be it, right?
I'm gonna turn it on and see where the water comes from. Because if it's in the conduit, it's gonna shoot out that way and this way, right?
Exactly.
But then it's gonna fill up over there.
It has to be in the conduit, because if it was outside of the conduit over here,
wet right now.
Exactly.
It would have been wet right here.
Yeah. So I think
right,
the leak is closer to that side,
believe
because within like, I don't know, a second of you turning that on, I saw water coming out. So I think it's on the house side.
I think you're right.
Or under, yeah. Other side. You can see the water service. And the black pipe is just ABS, and that's what's sleeved. We use that as a sleeve underneath. Water meter's right there. The leak is somewhere within this sleeve. All right, the pipe is cut on the other side. What is up with this, bro? There you go. All right. Now see if we can pull that. There you go. There we go. There you go. There it is, right there. There's the leak. Just a solder joint that blew apart. Wow. Look how thin it is. This is type L though. So we came back over here on the house side, and there was still this section sticking out, and you can see where that coupling blew off or got rotted out, whatever happened. Bad solder joint. So this was in there about like that. So the leak was directly under this tree is where it was. You can scrap that. All right. I could have made it a little bigger. I think we got it. There you go. Let me see. It might be all the way. Well, maybe not. There we go. Let me see how far it is on the other side. Are you able to push that through at all anymore? Because it's coming through. It's just there you go. All right. I really wish I could have showed you all that, but so basically what Los was doing, he was taking this and putting it around his shoulders and then doing a squat to pull this side up because we couldn't get the coupling to go on. And then we had to come around and do it on this side, and then I had to put my channies on here like this and then hammer the slip coupling on. It's a real freaking pain, but we got it. That's it. Can you stand on this? I think it's this side. Push down. Go right here. There you go. More. Can you stand on? Yeah. That's it. You put your heel closer to the cupping. Yeah. There you go. More. Just a little bit of that. Almost. Sorry. You all right? There you go. Maybe lower. Lower. There you go. You're good. See, stand. There you go. There you go. We got it. It's about 8 feet. We replaced about 8 feet. Yeah, all right. Water's back on. Just turned it back on. I don't see any leakies. Let's check this side. All the plastic. All right, no leaks. Okay, now let's turn. There.
Most of these rocks in
I
here.
mean, yeah.
Unless you're gonna break this.
I think they probably. Well, I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. I think they're gonna break it. All right. I think they're gonna probably replace this because the owner wants it to look pristine, basically. Okay. That's all. That's it. There you go. No, you're good. That's it.